Welcome to the ALF show.
We're back.
We're back because to the episode of the Rise of Floodborn. We're opening up another Rise of the Floodborn.
Another Rise.
No fan, we have Daddy. We're opening up Lorcana. Rise of the Floodborn. Let's go.
So this is going to be our fourth booster box. We've yet to pull an Enchanted out of a booster box of Rise, right?
I hope we get
But
in
every box of first chapter so far, we've opened the three of them. We've pulled an Enchanted each one.
Yeah.
We need the Enchanted, right? Cross your fingers. Let's do this. I opened this box wrong. All right, here we go. We get our packs out. Which row should I open first? That one?
Wait, look, maybe we could get the beast one. Let's just get from the bottom. I'm going to pick a pack. I think this one has the best
All right.
one. I took that one from the bottom. I think that has the best.
All right, so here we go. Let's pull the Enchanted right off the bat.
Let's go.
First pack, let's pull an Enchanted.
I just
Go.
stealed it from the bottom, so let's do this.
Let's do this.
Snow White. Winnie the Pooh.
Stop touching the
Okay.
mic.
Felicia. Queen of Hearts. James. Prince Naveen. Pain.
Binding contract.
Binding Contract. Caterpillar.
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse.
Queen of Hearts.
Queen of Hearts. No.
And a Tiana.
Tiana.
Okay, and let's raise this once again so it's out of the view.
Right here.
Okay.
The sparkle goes there and then the book, so.
Okay. Stop touching the mic.
Mike, you stop touching the
You
mic.
keep pushing it right in.
Why?
Don't do it. Here you go. Let's go.
What did you call me? Gaston. Rabbit.
Go ahead.
Sneezy. Jiminy Cricket. Jafar. Bashful. Queen of Hearts. Robin Hood.
All right, slow it down. Give me those.
Pete.
Okay, another
Beast.
beast, legendary.
Hold still.
And hold still. So,
Can I pick? I think the winner of the day would be this one right there. Get
Okay.
that. Get the beat.
go ahead. Pull your next pack.
Mulan. Legend of the Star in the Stone. Raya. Ray. Popsicle. Beast.
Okay,
Donald
Donald Duck.
Duck.
Sardine can.
Sardine Can. Rapunzel.
All right. Slowly go ahead. And what do we got? Cobra Bubbles.
Cobra Bubbles.
Falling
Go down
down.
the rabbit hole.
Common foil of
I'm
Unstuck.
stuck. I cut when I was getting it up. I thought it was the best, like the Enchanted or the Legendary.
Yeah. Here you go.
I thought, but
Okay.
no.
Nope.
Oh my gosh.
Go ahead.
Hold still.
Elsa. Higher up. There you go.
Tigger and provide.
Hypnotize.
Rabbit. Let's just stop my thought. Tiana. Cosworth. Duck.
Hold on.
Cinderella.
Cinderella.
Night and days.
Perplexing signpost. And a beast. Did I forget to open a pack? I did.
I think I know.
I'll get you this really open quick.
Okay, so
Here you go.
next, do this one. I think.
Okay, here you go.
Chicken. Awful. Bashful.
Higher up, please.
Rapunzel. Dr. Priscilla. Figure. Tea.
Higher up, please.
Last stand.
Minnie Mouse Surfer.
Minnie Mouse.
Lawrence.
Lawrence.
Fling Rider.
Flynn Rider.
Lady Tremaine. And a calming.
Hold still.
Hold still. So super rare here.
What the?
Yep, they've been going there. We'll put the legendary here. Okay, next pack right here.
I hope. I just hope.
Go ahead. Come on, we need the Enchanted. Go.
Please. Gaston.
Higher up, please.
Gaston. Gumbo pot. Sleepy. Like it on the start of the stone.
Judy hops.
Judy hops.
And you should stop hopping around. Go.
Ow, ow,
Yeah,
ow. I can't see
You
now.
jumped onto your mic cable.
Okay. Cards so good.
Higher up.
What? Oh.
Li Shang.
Li Shen.
Oh, okay. Higher up. What? Namiri.
Namira. Yasma.
Okay. Rare foil. The
The
Huntsman.
Huntsman. It goes like that.
Oh, they were both super rares. Next pack. Please. You got to open them up. Look, past that line.
Pass.
Or like right at that line. You look at the camera. Okay?
Okay.
Go.
Adela.
Croquette Mallet.
Coquette Mallet. Bigot. Sin Rider. Jasmine. Donald Duck. Bucky. Bashful. Quella de Belle.
Okay. Grand Duke.
Gwenduke. Pinocchio.
Pinocchio. And a rare foil.
World's Great.
What is it?
World's Greatest. Cocaine Mallet.
Criminal Mind. Okay. Here we go.
Please.
Come on. Go.
Please be.
That's improvise.
Improvise. Quella de Belle. Piglet. Winnie the Pooh. Minnie Mouse. Last Cannon. Madam M. The most
Diabolical Scheme.
scheme. Jeffel.
Okay. Hold on. Honest John.
Armstrong.
Super rare Beast.
Beast.
And a... Come on. Rare foil.
Wilfoil.
What is that? Ragagan's Marvelous Trap. Okay. Go ahead.
Paint the roses red. Dr. Celia. Minnie Mouse. Pashful. Wait.
Panic.
Nothing to hide. Benja. Bear. Telegon Mata. Zero to Hero.
Okay. Slow down.
Hercules. Sisu.
Okay. And Patch. Okay. We need that Enchanted.
Hope.
Come on. Go ahead.
Sympathize. The Knock. Snow White. Oh my gosh. Elsa. Lady Queen. That's the Sun My Zone. Nick Wilde. You Can Fly. Pick the Fight.
Yay.
More
Bibbidi
bibbidi
bop,
bobbidi
bibbidi
boo.
boo. I got that from my deck. Another Cogsworth. Good.
Tigger.
Stagger. Calman. Okay. Cogsworth.
Hold still. Telegon Mata. What did you call me? Gaston. Oh, Rabbit. That's the Sun My Zone. Bucky. Yasma. Quella Belle.
All right, hold on. The flute.
Flute.
Okay. Prince John and Snow White.
Can
Come
you put that
on.
down for me? So it's faster for me.
It's not faster.
For me to start the cards.
Okay.
Improvise, Rabbit, Piglet, Marlin, Bun, Last Cannon, Bashful, Queen of Hearts, Robin Hood. Madam Mim? Kidding?
Who's that? Another
Madam
Magamin?
Mim.
Which one?
I don't know.
Magamin a rival of Merlin. Go ahead. Up higher, please. Grand Poppy and a common foil, Felicia. Come on.
Come on.
We need our Enchanted.
Bashful, James, the Queen. The Queen
Yep.
has to be doing this.
Go ahead,
She
go.
didn't unboard it actually open.
Croquette Mallet.
Now let's. Peter Pan's dagger. Charge. Yasma, Queen of Hearts, Robin Hood.
Okay, and go ahead. What's that? Oh, Haram Flowersong?
Snow White, Merlin.
Goats. Give me the legendary.
Give me legendary. Sneezy,
Sneeze.
Jiminy Cricket, Bunja, Brana, Cruella de Vil. Oh my gosh. Charge, Cheshire Cat, 4 dozen eggs, Snow White.
Hold on. Give me those. Let me finish here.
Prince Charming?
Is that the first time we've got that?
No, second.
Oh, Prince Charming. Go ahead.
Charming.
Dinner
Dinner
Bell
Bell.
and a common foil. Come on.
Hearts.
We need to get these Enchanted.
Kids.
Where are they?
Grumpy, I'm stuck. Go the distance. Radigan, Basil, Cinderella, Daisy Duck, Cosworth, Gaston.
All right, hold on. Hold on.
I went fast. I want to just get it.
We need the Enchanted. Go. Christopher Robin.
Mauritius Workshop.
Yep.
Donald Duck.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Gimme.
There you go. We got 8 packs after this.
Verona, Jasmine, Mulan, Chip the Teacup, Mulan, Hercules, Pinocchio, Queen of Hearts, The Prince,
Hold on. Merlin.
Marlin,
Another
Arthur.
author. Good. Common foil. Owl. Come on. Come on, man.
Queen of Hearts, oh my gosh, the Queen, Chip the Teacup, Blue, Improvise the Knock, Cinderella, Ring the Bell,
Fang crossbow.
Crossbow, Nana,
Go ahead. Oh, we're up.
Dragon Gem, Beast,
Beast legendary. Cool.
Happy.
Come on, man.
Queen of Hearts, Duke Wesselton, Happy, I'm Stuck,
I'm stuck.
Tigger, Benja, Manamam,
Snake.
Queen of Hearts,
Li Shang.
Li Shang.
All right, hold on. We get rid of those.
King
two.
Lagoon.
King Louis.
Louis.
The Queen.
Queen.
And common.
What did you call me?
What do you call me?
What did you call me?
Go ahead.
Michael.
5 packs after this.
Kidding.
Enchantress.
Enchanted. Popsicle. Painting noses red. Marlin. Blue. Magic Bloom. Pinocchio. Madagascar.
Mouse Armor.
Mouse
Hold
Armor.
on. Hold on. Go ahead.
Radigan.
The Queen. And what's that? Namiri Super Rare
Namiri
Foil.
Super
That goes
Rare.
up there.
Boy.
I want the Enchanted.
Enchanted.
4 packs after this.
Awful. Owl, Sneezy, Fairy Godmother, Lady Tremaine, Benja, Blue Fairy, Sword in the Stone, Pashful,
Go ahead.
Chief,
Bogo.
Bogo,
Lucifer. And
Blue Fairy.
Lucifer. Uninkable.
And then
Go
Cabell.
ahead.
Sleepy, Marlin, Go the Distance, Radigan, Gumbo Pot, Jafar, Tiana,
Murder
Marlin, Duck,
Hold on.
Noi,
Fox.
Manamam, Duke Wesselton.
Come on. That's not what we need. 2 packs left after this one.
Piglet, Marlin, Bond, Awful, Owl, Cinderella, John Duck, Marlin, Gaston,
Hold on.
Lumiere,
Luminia. What's it? Navali?
Namari,
Namari. Okay.
Doc.
And Doc. Give me the legendary Namari.
Happy, Jiminy Cricket, Mulan, Donald Duck, Basil, Magic Plume, Cheshire, Blue
Blue
Fairy,
Fairy.
Snow White,
Hold on. Shengan. Wait set.
Fairy godmother.
Come on.
Come on.
All right, this is your last chance, and otherwise, I'm never buying a Rise box ever again, other than the one we have at home. Go ahead.
Flynn Rider, Basil, Grumpy, Marlin, Felicia, Jafar, 4 dozen eggs, Sword in the Stone,
Pacha, hold on.
Pete, Miss Johnson,
and nope. Arthur, super rare foil. No, that's it. That's 4 boxes of Rise and no Enchanted.
Daddy, let's try to get more of these packs. I'm trying until we get an Enchanted.
Right. So we did get though
So let's order
a number of legendaries, right? Mm-hmm. Oh look, we pulled two beasts. I didn't even realize 2 beasts, an Amari, a Sisu, and a Snow White.
So let's order more packs, and we're gonna keep going until we get an
Enchanted. Oh, we're just going for the gold.
Going. So, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.